Alright, today I'm going to be making a review on this Protobox undergrill mat for your outdoor grill. This thing's about 60 by 40 inches if you didn't know, and it's double-sided, which is pretty cool. If you got a deck or like a patio, it'll definitely protect it. It's mainly for like barbecue mats. You can do it on like your Blackstone or your charcoal grill or whatever. For me right here, I'm going to be putting it on my cement, so I'm just going to lay it out, and I have a pit boss. And sometimes there's drippings, or I'm cooking, or I'm cleaning the grates. So this is super helpful for me, because any kind of grease or anything like that, I can just clean that up really quick. So I've been wanting one of these for a while, so I'm testing this one out. And so far, I like what I see. It's pretty durable. It's a lot bigger than I thought. And it looks very easy to clean. It's made of silicone, so I feel like it's going to last a long time. And as far as the thickness, it's pretty thick. Like, you know, and from what I'm reading, it goes up to 2,000 degrees, so I won't have any problems if anything hot lands on it or anything like that. It's perfect. And, you know, as far as the cleaning aspect of it, I mean, soap and water and a hose, it's perfect, man. Especially right here on this little nick corner. This is where I'm always grilling. So this is where I wanted to place it. And I'm actually going to end up buying another one for my Blackstone and maybe my other grill as well. But, yeah, I definitely recommend this thing. It wasn't too expensive, so like I said, I'm going to go ahead and pick up another one. So if you're looking for a grill mat, I think this is the one you should be buying right now. Definitely you don't want some stains on your cement or anything like that, you know?